How are you today?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
So how long has it been since you had your hair transplant?
About 6 months.
For 6 months, your results are really good.
Oh, I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, I think you posted a really good review with your pictures before, like a day before, the day of the surgery and everything.
Yes.
Time-lapse kind of
Yes.
photos, and they're really good. But I can see your, it's just the fullness. It's amazing,
Yes.
Especially with only one procedure.
Yes, I was almost skin on the top.
Yeah, I remember that. So overall, you're very happy, I'm sure.
Oh, I am. Yes, if I have enough, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the back.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Okay. So here's one happy patient, and I'm Dr. Syed from Orlando Hair Clinic.